Hi kids, this is Guess Animal Game. Read the clues carefully. Try your best and win a star. Are you ready? Let's begin. Guess what animal is this? It likes to eat grass? It's a big farm animal. It provides milk. It makes the sound moo. What is it? The correct answer is cow. Next question, what animal is it? It has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. It can lay egg. It makes the sound cluck cluck. What is it? The correct answer is hen. Next question, what is it? It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes a sound, ba. The correct answer is sheep. Next question. What animal is it? It has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has webbed feet. It makes a sound. Quack, quack. The correct answer is duck. Next question. What animal is it? It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes a sound. Neigh, neigh. The correct answer is horse. Next question. What animal is it? It's bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a poult. It has huge feathers. It makes the sound gobble, gobble. The correct answer is turkey.